Cup Garden. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Hydro Grow Kit poppy seeds from OUI. Picked this up from Indigo. And it's supposed to be a self-watering grow kit. And there's what is included. So let's open it up. Let's see what we get. There's our bag of medium. The pot. The hole in the bottom for the wick. There's our vase and the wicks. And here we have the instructions, which we'll follow to try to get set up. And there's the seeds. There's everything it comes with. Now let's give it a go. I know, I love how these kits are so specific. So let's actually measure it. Two inches of water. We then place the ceramic bowl into the glass bowl. We insert the wick into until it touches the water. We then empty the bag into the top. There are some poppy seeds. Try to do it this way maybe. Trying to spread them out. Quite a bit in there. And then loosely cover the planter. Okay, so you don't want to push these seeds in at all, you just want them to be on top. And it says loosely cover. So I'm going to move this now into a warm room. And we'll follow up when something comes up. Thank you for watching this unboxing and setup of the OUI Poppy Hydro Grow Kit. As always, if you enjoy these